Looking for a quality bandsaw that doesn't break the bank? In this video, we'll walk you through the best cheap bandsaws that offer impressive performance at an affordable price. Stick around to find out which ones are worth your money. First, let's take a look at the WOODSKIL 3-amp 9-inch bandsaw, a standout contender in the budget-friendly category for woodworking and soft metal cutting. The performance here is impressive for its price. With a 2,500 feet per minute blade speed and a 1,720 revolutions per minute motor, the saw delivers smooth, efficient cuts, making it an ideal choice for smaller projects. The 59.5-inch blade, ranging from 1/8 to 3/8 inches in width, allows for versatile cutting, while the 3.5-inch cutting depth and 9-inch cutting width provide ample capacity for most home projects. What's really worth noting is the cast aluminum table that tilts up to 45 degrees and includes a 120-degree miter gauge, ensuring accurate cuts at various angles. The steel base helps minimize vibrations, providing stability during use, and the dust exhaust port keeps the workspace clean. Overall, the WOODSKIL 9-inch band saw blends affordability with dependable performance, making it one of the best choices in the budget band saw category. Now, let's take a look at the GRIZZLY Industrial G0948 10-inch 1/2 horsepower bandsaw, a standout option for those looking for a budget-friendly yet powerful bandsaw. The GRIZZLY G0948 features a 1/2 horsepower motor with a top blade speed of 2,620 feet per minute, ensuring smooth and precise cuts through wood and aluminum. This model offers 2-speed cutting options, making it versatile for different projects. While the cutting capacity is slightly smaller compared to other models, capable of cutting stock up to 6.1 inches thick, it's still suitable for a wide range of woodworking tasks. The extruded aluminum fence is perfect for ripping and resawing veneers, while the fully adjustable ball-bearing blade guides ensure accuracy with every cut. The steel stand with vibration-resistant rubber feet provides stability during use, and the flexible LED work light ensures you have good visibility on your workpiece. The G0948 offers professional-grade features at an affordable price, making it one of the best cheap bandsaws available. The WEN 9-inch benchtop bandsaw is an impressive tool that offers great value for casual woodworker. Powered by a 2.8-amp motor, it delivers a blade speed of 2,500 feet per minute, allowing for smooth, efficient cuts. With a cutting capacity of 3.5 inches deep and 9 inches wide, this saw is perfect for small to medium-sized projects, easily handling a variety of wood types. What sets the WEN bandsaw apart is its compact design. At just 40 pounds, it's light and easy to store, making it ideal for those with limited workspace. The 12 1/4 by 11 7/8 inch work table tilts up to 45 degrees, giving you versatility for angled cuts. Included features like the rip fence and miter gauge further enhance accuracy, while the 2.5-inch dust port helps keep your workspace tidy. Though it may not be as stable as larger models, the WEN 9-inch benchtop bandsaw is a solid, affordable choice for hobbyists looking for reliable performance. This next bandsaw is a real game changer in the cutting world. Meet the DEWALT DWM120K portable bandsaw. It comes packed with a 10-amp motor that delivers consistent power across a variety of materials, including metal, plastic, and wood. With a 5-inch deep cut capacity, it's built to handle jobs that need larger cuts, like pipe or wood posts. One of its standout features is the variable speed dial, which lets you adjust from 100 to 350 SFPM, giving you control over the speed for different materials. The multi-position adjustable front handle ensures versatility, allowing for accurate cuts from various angles. Plus, the saw's durable steel shroud and rubber bumpers protect it from tough job site conditions. While it's on the heavier side at 15 pounds, the ergonomic design and superior balance make it comfortable to use for extended periods, making it a top choice for professionals. The GRIZZLY Industrial 9-inch benchtop bandsaw with laser guide and quick release is a standout in its category, offering premium features that elevate its performance. With a 2.8-amp motor and a blade speed of 2,460 feet per minute, it's perfect for both fine and heavy-duty cutting. One of the most notable additions is the laser guide that projects a precise cut line, ensuring accuracy every time. The adjustable blower tube keeps the workspace clear of sawdust, enhancing visibility. GRIZZLY's tensioning system reduces vibrations, which translates to smoother and more controlled cuts. While it's a bit heavier at 50 pounds, its sturdy construction offers stability without compromising portability. The quick-release blade tension levers and ball-bearing blade guides make adjustments seamless, enhancing user experience. For those seeking a precise, durable bandsaw that offers excellent features for a benchtop model, the GRIZZLY is a solid investment.